こんにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello, everyone. I'm Ms.P. Today, we're gonna learn about remainder theorem, synthetic division, and long division. So, let's get started. So, the remainder theorem, as f of x is divided by x minus a, f of a is the remainder. Example, solve x squared plus 7x plus 31 divided by x plus 3. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you the remainder theorem, and now I'm going to show you synthetic division and long division to solve this problem. Okay, so the remainder theorem. We know x squared plus 7x plus 31 is f of x, and x plus 3 is x minus a. And we have to find the value of a to find the remainder f of a. So we can do this way. X minus a is equal to x plus 3 is equal to x minus, because we're gonna change the sign because this is minus negative 3. So this and this is the same, x plus 3 and x minus negative 3. So that is why we know a is equal to negative 3. And now the remainder f of a is actually f of negative 3 this time. So basically we're going to plug negative 3 into x of f of x. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 squared plus 7 times negative 3 plus 31 is equal to, we're going to organize this one. Negative 3 squared is positive 9, and 7 times negative 3 is negative 21, plus 31 is equal to 19. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. So, and next one, I'm going to show you. Okay, so next I'm going to show you synthetic division. So synthetic division, to solve this problem, we always have to write the coefficients of f of x. So this time f of x here, 1, 7, and 31. However, 31 is not coefficient. This is constant number, but we're going to include it. And then we're going to make a box. And now we have to put some number here because for this system. So that is the value of x of divisor as it is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, and that is why x value is negative 3. So we're going to use negative 3 here. And next step, we always have to bring down the first number here. And this time it's 1. But it depends on the problem. This number is going to be different. Okay, always first number is going to be different. It depends on the problem. Okay, so next we're going to multiply negative 3 and 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So we're going to put here. And then we're going to add these two numbers, 7 plus negative 3, which is positive 4. And next we're going to multiply these two numbers. Negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. And then we're going to add these two numbers, and it's going to be 19. So this is the remainder. And it's same as here. It's same remainder as here because we calculate correctly. Okay? So, and also because of the same problem. And then the remainder is 19. However, these two numbers are coefficients of quotient. But this is number 4 is constant number, and 1 is coefficient of x. So that is why the answer of this problem is x plus 4 plus remainder 19 over x plus 3. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So next one. Next will be long division. So I'm going to show you long division. So long division. So x squared plus 7x plus 31 divided by x plus 3. So we always focus on the highest degree term, which is x squared this time. Okay, so what times x will be x squared? So that is x, right? X times x is x squared. And you're not going to forget about 3. So x times 3 is positive 3x. And what you have to do next? You have to subtract. You have to subtract. X squared minus x squared is 0. And 7x minus 3x is positive 4x. And then you have to bring down this number here, plus 31. And then what number times x will be 4x? That is 4. Positive 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is positive 12. And what you have to do next? You have to subtract. Okay? And 4x minus 4x is 0. 31 minus 12 is 19. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. And all remainder is the same. 19, of course, right? And then, probably most of you are wondering how come we have to subtract here. So it's same thing as 86 divided by 3. So, and we have to do first 8 divided by 3, which is 2 here. And 2 times 3 is 6. And what you have to do next? You're going to subtract 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, which is 2. And you're going to bring down the number 6 here. And 26 divided by 3, 8. 8 times 3, 24. And you're going to subtract again. 26 minus 26 minus 24, which is 2. This is the remainder. This is the remainder this time. And then subtract here. It's same system. Okay? So let me finish the answer. The answer of this problem by using long division is the same as here, of course. This is quotient x plus 4 and plus remainder 19 over x plus 3. So this is the answer. So now I show you two ways, synthetic division and long division, and the remainder is the same. So we are done. Hello everyone. How was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful. So see you next time in lesson part 2. And in lesson part 2, I'm going to show you 3 ways of my students' solutions to solve critical thinking problem. So see you next time. Bye!